Gardening with Soule in the land of Elf Soule. This is the Elf Soule garden, still under construction, but just autumn in the garden. It's a bit of a windy afternoon, but that blaze of yellow color up on the hill is my pomegranate tree, and it has certainly got some gorgeous color to it. And there goes the Gila woodpecker saying, "Hey, what are you doing in my garden?" But the kind of bare tree off to the left of the yellow pomegranate tree is a jujube tree, Sisyphus jujube, and its leaves also turned golden and fell, but they fall earlier in the autumn, and the pomegranate seems to hold on for a long time. And I'm going to come around here, and you see that red kind of puffs of color, and what that is, as I get nearer, that is the Rixinus communis. You know, sometimes the names just don't come out in common names. Castor bean, and just glorious. Growing in my sunken garden here, it's protected from cold. So normally they freeze and die in the winter here in Tucson, but it's just been protected from the cold, and it keeps growing and blooming, and it's down next to the citrus. So autumn color in the desert is green sometimes. It's not changing colors, but just so pretty with the Rixinus and the pomegranate together in the sunshine.